We are looking into the Tamil text called Tirukkolur Pen Pillai Rahasyam, and we are looking into the 19th sentence. It runs like this: Avan Deivam Endreno Mandodariye Pole. Last episode was about Tirisadai in Ramayana, and before that we saw one more character by name Kabandhan, and this episode is about Mandodari, who was Ravana's wife. As we all know that Rama Ravana Yuddham had started, and Lord Rama and Lakshmana finally took Sita from the forest and they all went back to Ayodhya. And at the time when Ravana was killed, Mandodari's feelings were what told in this line. Even when Ravana was living, Mandodari advised him like anything. She requested him to give up his desire for Sita. And she told him that Lord Rama's real nature, she knew, she said. He was God. That is what Mandodari is telling. Mandodari told Ravana. And after he died also, she repented like anything. She felt bad because in spite of telling Ravana that Rama was not a human being but he was God, Ravana never paid heed to her advice. So she regretted finally, just because Ravana didn't listen to her words, this was the end he had to meet at the end of his life. So this particular incidents, whether it is in Ramayana and Mahabharata, everybody will have a doubt. When certain acts are committed which are against Dharma, how the elders or the spouses or the other family members were reacting to such situations. If you see in Mahabharata also, when Dharma was in danger, when Dharma was broken, many people raised their voices, and at some point, Vidura left the place because nobody listened to his words. And Lord Krishna went as a messenger to do something in this matter so that the war doesn't happen. Same way in Ramayana also, Ravana was advised by so many people. Vibhishana had advised him, his uncle also had advised him, his father-in-law had advised him, but Ravana never listened to anybody. So youngsters will have lot of explanations when they come to know little deeper into some of these Puranas. And epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. I should say Itihas, Ramayana and Mahabharata. So many lakhs of slokas are there, and everybody will get some kind of an explanation because these are the general doubts everybody will get. So this story is about Mandodari and her efforts to prevent Ravana from doing a sinful act. But Ravana never listened to her. Saying so, Tirukkolur Pen Pillai says, I never advised anybody like Mandodari, hence I am not fit to stay in this place, hence I am leaving Tirukkolur. That was a statement she gives, and we'll see again the next episode.